How's it going, guys? Anthony here, and this is going to be my unboxing of the Mirkwood elf helm from the Hobbit movie by Weta. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, here's the box itself. The Hobbit, the Battle of the Five Armies, Mirkwood elf inventory helm. Looks pretty sweet. Let's have a quick look around the box. And if you guys would like to pause this video, I'll let you guys pause it so you can read this information on the back here. Here we go, it even says Weta collectibles on the polystyrene. Okay, here we got the stand. And this is a limited edition of 750, and I've got number 198. So we've got Stephen Lambert, who's the model and maker, and Mauro Santini, who's the sculptor. I hope I pronounced that name correctly. So we'll put that here. Well guys, this rubber top's a bit of a mission to get on. You have to like put it in the palm of your hand and sort of like wriggle it around to get it on there. But nonetheless, let's get out the Mirkwood helm itself. As you can see, the detail is awesome. So there it is guys, my unboxing of the Mirkwood elf helm by Weta. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here and like what I do, please do subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I hope you guys all have a great day, take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video.